I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Hello everyone, I just wanted to come on here real quick and to see how everyone is doing. I hope y'all are in good health and in good spirits still. I know we are going through some tough times right now, but just remember that we are all in this together and we will get through this. As long as we keep our faith and stay positive and keep ourselves occupied, this too shall pass is what I like to think of. So I believe and strongly believe that this will all be over soon, as long as we just stay home. You guys, please stay home if you do not have to be out there. But so let me know if how you're doing, what you're doing to keep yourself occupied and getting through this, or just say hi, let me know that you're doing okay. But let's just go ahead and continue with the video so we can get our mind off some things. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys on my next one.
But we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.